Hi, this is Salman Khan, and you're watching the T Series official YouTube channel. For all the latest updates on my upcoming film, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, log on to youtube.com/T Series.
प्रेम रतन धन पायो प्रेम रतन धन पायो रत मिलन की लायो प्रेम रतन धन पायो मैंने प्रेम रतन धन पायो छायो पायो.
Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is one of the most amazing films that I've done. If you thought Bajrangi Bhaijaan, gave you Khushi Ke Aasu, this one will make you laugh all throughout. It will tickle you. It will make you cry. Khushi Ke Aasu. And once you leave the theater, guaranteed you will be a better man, and you'll have a family that you're going to help getting closer.
My character's name is Maithili, and she's a Rajkumari, and she's the love interest of Prem and Vijay. And it's a beautifully etched character by Suraji. She's today's girl who knows what she wants, and she still has all her values intact.
I'm playing Prem. I'm playing Prem. What I did earlier in my first film, and then Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, and then in Hum Saath Saath Hain. Same character, just a little more mature, nicer, more sensible, and in the largest film that I've ever done, the most beautiful film that I've ever done. Incredible journey. Every time I work with Suraj, it's like a soul cleansing. It's like a rehab for the soul. So that is the process that I've been through. Now some impurities are going to come back till the time I start working with him again, and they too are welcome.
It's great. I can't wait to work with him again. I really, really can't, honestly. And I feel blessed and happy to be a part of this film. And it's the biggest film that I've had in my last 7-8 years, so it's great. There's a lot of commitment and dedication, and there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. Every morning before he used to come to set, he used to do a workout every morning and every evening. Yeah, every evening, and he was there always, and I'm not 100% that committed, and that's why he is who he is. And there's this that's exactly complete. Yeah. And so you learn that no matter what point you've come in your life, and no matter how big a star that you are, he's constantly pushing himself and constantly working to do better and be better.
Because her father does the same thing.
Yeah. But you don't expect that of Salman Khan, right? That the world doesn't think that that's true, but that is true. He's extremely dedicated and hardworking, and insanely hardworking, and he's really hard on himself. So you learn that commitment, and so yeah, so that's what I learned. That everybody, including the biggest superstar in a country, works really hard to achieve whatever they've achieved in life.
I think incredible music. I think, but I was scared for the music first. Now, I thought the music will take time to catch on, because आजकल का जो EDM, dubstep, trap, whatever, all that stuff is going on. Hip hop. Yeah, but I don't understand it. All that kind of stuff that's going on. So this music is very different from that. So I thought, yeah, but I just thought that it'll take some time for it to catch on. But then Suraj has his own fans of Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Hum Saath Saath Hain, Maine Pyar Kiya. So this is that genre of music.
Young kids are loving it as well.
Yeah. And yeah, the see, the younger the kids, the purer they are, they will understand this music really well. And especially in the interiors, they will love it. We shot in
Karjat.
We shot in Karjat, where we built a palace there.
We shot in Udaipur. We shot a lot. We shot in Rajkot. Most of the beautiful palaces and locations that you see were built by Nitin Desai and Suraj Ji's vision. He knew everything, and he's done the most incredible job of building the most grand sets that you'll ever see on Indian cinema that you've ever seen.
Yeah, we should at the Gondal Palace, and then most of the other stuff was built here. So the Sheesh Mahal, when we go to all these palaces and stuff like that, tour, you see the Sheesh Mahal. I've seen all the Sheesh Mahals wherever I've gone. I've got these fascinations of palaces and for forts and stuff like that. I have not seen such a beautiful Sheesh Mahal that Suraj Barjatya had built. Beautiful, beautiful. And then even the palace that he's built, it's the way when he used to decorate it used to be phenomenal. Then we were shooting at this one railway station, which we went there, and Suraj said, no, it has to look something different. So Suraj decorated the whole railway station. I think all the railway stations should be decorated by Suraj Barjatya or Rajshri. That was so beautiful.
सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला राम सिया की देखो निराली है